This is the video showing you how to adjust your reverse stop. When you get it from us, it more than likely won't be adjusted correctly because every car is different and we can't adjust for every car. As you can see in this particular car, the shifter won't go into fifth or reverse, so we need to adjust it. To do that, loosen these screws. And this is pretty much a trial and error process, so you'll have to adjust it and try it and adjust it and so forth. And when you do this, you want to barely be able to go into fifth and only go into reverse when you lift the reverse lock. Looks like we're about good right there. So once you've got it in a place you're happy with, just go ahead and tighten them down real good and you're done.